Hi, today I'm going to show you how to repair non-charging iPhone 5C. I have this phone from the customer who says it doesn't charge. Let's have a look. So we plug in a charger. It doesn't do anything, doesn't charge. Try the other way around, nothing, still not charging. Okay, so the tools for this job you're gonna need is mainly this Kebab skewer. That's all we're gonna need today. Just take this Kebab skewer and clean this charging port, and as we can see there is some fluff coming out of it. When we take that off, give it a good clean, take all these bits out. Okay, let's have a look now. Plug the charging cable in. Voila, charging. Job done.